Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell your USDC with MoonPay. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on the home page of moonpay.com. And so from here, all you have to do is either click on get started or simply swap to the buy, sell and swap here, where you can see sell and under it sell USDC. Once you click on it, it's going to show you on this page where you can sell USDT and turn it to cash in a few clicks. So on the right side, you can see that USDC can be transferred to any currency you would like. So from euros to Czech to Egyptian to pound to whatever you want. So in euros, 200 USDC is almost this much, including any fees or anything that will be balanced around it. Once you do that, click on continue. Then from here, it's going to ask you to need to verify your identity. Once you reach this page, all you have to do is click on continue. And then from here is going to load for you multiple options. So you're going to either upload your passport, your residence permit, or your ID card. Once you do so, you're going to show you this picture right here where you're going to get your camera ready. Now, if you don't have your camera on your computer working, then simply click to continue on phone, and you're going to scroll and make sure to scan this QR code and so to continue the process on your mobile device. Once you do so and you are right now on your mobile device, simply click on continue, and then from here you're going to allow access for your camera to scan your face, and then from here you're going to click on allow while visiting site. And so as you can see right here, once you are done with all the procedure, you're going to upload the final document from anything that might request you. So for bank document, utility bills or government, to make sure that you update your address. And once you do so, click on continue. And then from here is going to verify your ID, and this might take a few minutes, which you can go from here and it's going to show you to either connect to Phantom, MetaMask or any other wallet. And once that is done, then you're going to send you to the option where you can transfer it and sell it with a credit card or bank transfer. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.